I forgot my hat, whatever. Welcome to the Larger Boy Disney Cinema. Last film, Mike Tyson used. I took a nap. Morning nap. Dropped message off school and I went home and took a morning nap. Now I'm going for a walk. So, oh shit. Let's go. Look. Look at you.
Like the stuff she like gummies and
Towel dog. Towel dog, towel dog. Oh no, he dropped the towel dog.
The next day.
The laundromat, I'm not washing the most supposed to dry. So yeah. But I'm alone. See, she's not even here. She'll be back soon. Hope it doesn't take too long. Look at this. Oh my goodness, it's pouring like a madhouse. Okay. Yes, we're gonna wait. Then we're gonna go to the supermarket. Gotta wait. We go to the supermarket. Oh, look at this. Woo, a lot of water. Woo, that's a puddle. Woo. How you feeling? I don't know. Yeah. Puddle. Water. Finished. I was going through a puddle and when my foot got sunk in, now my whole sock is wet. Inside of my shoe is wet. One side is dry and the other side is wet. Horrible feeling. Ah!
Battery load, battery load.
It's chilling. Let's go sit. I love you.